Welcome to the Hydraulic Press channel and Happy New Year! Today we are going to go through the best moments of last year on Hydraulic Press channel and then couple videos also from Beyond the Press. And the first one that I want to take here is how strong are axes video from about 1 year ago. Hey, that was pretty interesting. It's already gone. Yeah, and from this, I remember mainly that this was terrifying to do, and nobody died, and all the axes broke pretty well. And then, one of the funniest videos of the year, the Subway smoothie with the Smoothie Maker 5 million. And this was so fun. Oh no! And unfortunately, our Smoothie Maker tool broke with this one. And then also new tool for the year was the Deep Sea Chamber 10 million. We still have this didn't broke. And we made many interesting videos. And here is the first one, Styrofoam cup. Here we go. That's so great. And then we tested out many dive boxes also on both channels with the tool. And then the largest machine slash tool, the 2000 ton forging press that we went to film also last year, and this was really cool to see yourself there. And on the first go they just did one crush before hitting it more. And then absolutely the scariest video of the year, how strong is giant glass ball. This was so terrifying to do because we were sure that it's going to explode. And here we go! Okay. Okay, hey, 88 tons. And then on bits the same category, how strong is AR500 steel? And this is the steel that you use for like armor and steel shooting targets. So we knew that it's pretty tough. And we weren't sure what is going to happen when you try to punch a hole in it. tons. Bit more. Okay, I think it's ready. I'm a bit afraid for the press. It doesn't look completely even. Oh, okay, it's pretty tough steel. Holy shit. We made like 1 mm dent. And then one of the major upgrades for the channel was the new Sony FX3 camera, and I also bought really nice macro lens for the camera, and we made a macro video with that. It wasn't the most watched video ever, but I really liked the visuals of the video. And then, of course, you have to have video where we try to turn something into rock. And this year's the best video on rock category was steel bolts. Okay, didn't explode. Didn't get stuck. That's a miracle. And what we made. Okay, they are pretty flat, and I'm not sure is this going to come out in one piece, but only one way to find out. Okay, this is so exciting. I'm going to place this here, and this is going to push it out. There is like white piece on between this tool and the cake, and my wife says that there's 25% chances that this is going to work, and I think I have to agree with her, so I don't have high hopes, but let's see. Hey, that's pretty cool!
Oi.
Okay, first that I have to say that my tool, excellent craftsmanship. It just works. And check this.
Woohoo! Wow!
Hey, this is exactly like the Fetapix cereals, the dry fibrous things. This is like real man's version of that. And then my own absolute two favorites of the year. Both are from Beyond the Press channel. We had the Thermobaric explosive, so fuel air device. And this was really hard to get working, but we did it and the video is excellent. I highly recommend it.
3, 2, 1. Oi, hyvää päivää!
And I can't say which video is better, the thermobaric explosion or exploding the steel box. We had made this like 600 kilo solid steel box that was hand grenade proof, and then on the second video we decided to try to see how much explosives it can take before it breaks, and when it broke it was so nice and bit dangerous also maybe. Yeah, so there was the best of the last year, and I'm really pleased on videos that we made. On Beyond the Press channel, we weren't making so much videos, but I think they were better than ever. And I'm also really pleased on Hydraulic Press channel side. And yeah, let's make even better videos this year. At least we are going to have even bigger explosions, that I can already say. So that is all for today. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.